Hi, it's Kelly with the product team. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add content to your website. Let's get started. First, from the editor, click Pages and find the page you want to add content to. For our demo, let's just build a new page by clicking the Add Page button. Once the dialog box opens, enter your page name. You will notice the URL field will auto-populate with the name of your page. Then click Add. After your page loads, click the Add button and select New Content. Now you can browse through our most popular layouts. Pick your desired layout and add it directly on the page. We are going to add one with a disclaimer, but you can always pick one without. Next, simply click to add an image, your title and copy, call to action, and finally the disclaimer that relates to your content. And all of this directly on the page. Once you are done, click Save. Now, let's add pre-built content. Again, click Add, then select Pre-built Content. First, choose your category, find the pre-built content you want to add, then click Add Selected. That's it. You have now added new and pre-built content to your page. And to make your changes live, click Quick Actions and Publish Website. That's it. You're done. I hope you've enjoyed watching this how-to video. Check out more how-to videos, such as duplicate a page, by accessing the Need Help section in Website Manager. Thanks for watching.